Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will be discussing how to study physiology. So first of all, when you study a particular topic at the college, then you should give at least one reading of that topic from the Guyton on the same day. And while studying the topic, you should try to relate it not only with the other subjects but also with the practicals. For example, if you study the physiology of heart, then you should also try to look into the anatomy of heart as well. You should study the portion of heart from the thorax of gross anatomy and the physiology of heart side by side. You should also relate the topic with the practicals. For example, if you are studying the physiology of blood, then you should also go through the practicals of blood, like the ESR, the measurement of hematocrit, the determination of red blood cells count, etc. You should also try to consider more than one books for a particular topic or chapter or unit. The main book for physiology mostly is Guyton and Hall, but you should also consider the books like Ganong and Mushtaq Ahmed's Physiology. In this way, you might get some more detail and points about the topic which might not be there in the Guyton, and you would be having a better understanding of the topic. You would be able to get more than one views about the topic. Sometimes it happens that you are unable to understand a topic from one book while you get the concept from the other book, because you are able to get the information in a different way, written in different language, and you find the topic easier if told in another way. Going through the lecture given by the teacher or the slides provided by them is also very helpful in the understanding and grasping of a particular topic. Even then, if you find yourself stuck at a point or have difficulty in understanding a concept, you can always watch related videos and different illustrations on the internet. Now, the main problem faced by many students is how to study Guyton. I know that Guyton is something that most of the students find boring, dry and lengthy. So here's something that might help you. Okay, so first of all, you should read a page from Guyton. Try to highlight the important points. You can also mark the important lines and paragraphs that should be learnt by heart, from the Guyton. And then you should cut short the information for the other revision when you study the topic for tests and exams. Guyton tends to keep on repeating the points and things again and again, so you should try to make a summary, and you can also make notes for yourself for even a single page or a whole chapter. Most of the times there is only a little bit of the new and basic information on every page of Guyton, so you should try to read a page, then extract that main points and new information from that page and write it down on a sticky note or a page and attach it to the page of the Guyton. In this way, you will not have to read that whole page again when you revise the topic, and you will find it easier to study a particular chapter from the Guyton. So first of all, you should take Guyton as your main book, and you should also consider going through the other helping books as well. But obviously you need to start studying physiology from the very beginning of the year to give yourself ample time to give at least one complete reading to the Guyton, and also going through the material of those topics from other books. Then the next very important point would be that you should use the short books like Firdaus or Mini Guyton, etc. only during the exams or while preparing for a test, because most of the times a large number of MCQs, the multiple choice questions, come as the same lines and information that are from the Guyton. You can use Guyton and Hall Physiology review for the practice of MCQs, the multiple choice questions. And last but not the least, you should always go through the past papers, the university questions from the past years when you prepare for the final prof or even the class tests. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.